Hi, my name is DeFranco Barnes. I'm a library assistant, youth emphasis at the Cleveland Public Library, and today we're going to be making a space station. You're going to start off with paper bowls, colorful cotton balls, googly eyes, plastic cups, glue, stapler, and colorful pictures to help design the outside of your space station. So first step, we're going to start with our colorful cotton balls. I'm going to grab a few out of this bag to start with. Then I'm going to grab our googly eyes, a cup full of glue, and I'm going to apply a little bit of glue to the back of the googly eyes. I'm going to place all of these guys into a small plastic cup. And I'm going to set that to the side for now. 1, 2. So for this step, you can either staple them together like this, or you can glue them together. Then we're going to apply a layer of glue to the top of our space station. And we're going to turn this upside down. Let that sit there for a second. Now it's time to decorate our space station. Today I brought some gems and some mirrors that I want to put on the top of my space station. I also have those colorful images I was talking about earlier. And that is your intergalactic space station. So the materials that you're going to need for your slime green alien is going to include clear washable glue, contact solution, green dye, baking soda, and green glitter. First, you want to take a plastic cup. You want to fill it with your clear glue. Then you want to take your baking soda and you want to put about 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. Then we're going to start to mix it. While you're mixing, you can go ahead and add a couple drops of that green dye until you get it to the color that you want. And then next we're going to add another 1/2 tablespoon of contact solution. Some of our googly eyes. So we're going to add some glitter. This is our space station and our slime green alien. Thanks for tuning in. Keep logging those books for Summer Lit League.